to get married in the night, you want to go put something on.
Little bitch has been a pain in my perfect Pilates ass since she rolled out of rehab and landed here.
Be like you, Haley. Just eat whatever I want and get fat.
Come back and expecting to drop everything for the love of your bony, jobless ass.
Idiot.
Don't call me an idiot, bitch.
I kill you first.
Who's the bitch now, bitch?